Hey children, welcome back. Today I'm back with one more interesting topic to learn. And we all know that before learning something new, we always do an activity, right? So today even I have an activity for you. So let us see what activity we are going to do today. Fine? Now here. Can you see those fishes over there? Yes. And I guess you can also see two aquariums, right? So what you have to do is you have to put those fishes into the correct aquarium. But how are we going to do it? Very simple. On the fishes you can find some nouns are written, right? Yes. So now reading the noun written on the fish, you have to put it into the correct tank. Like for example, if an uncountable noun is written on the fish, you have to place that fish into the uncountable nouns tank. And if there is a countable noun written on the fish, then you have to put that fish into the countable nouns tank. Fine. Now, our first one is milk. Milk is an uncountable noun. Can you count milk? Do you say 1 milk, 2 milks, 3 milks? No, right? Yes. Now, chair. It is a countable noun. Beautiful. Hair. Hair is an uncountable noun. Bottle. Bottle is a countable noun. Oil. Oil is an uncountable. Good. Butter. Butter is also an uncountable noun, right? Book. Book is a countable noun. Car. Car is also a countable noun. Very easy, right? Good. I hope so. The difference between countable and uncountable nouns got clear for you, right? Now, let us jump into our today's topic. Fine. So, what is our today's topic? Today, we are going to learn about adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Now, what do you mean by adjectives of quantity? Adjectives of quantity tell us or describe the amount or quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, they describe the amount of a noun or a pronoun. Fine. And also remember that adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. How much? Okay. Now, let us see some examples of adjectives of quantity. Fine. The words some, much, any, many, enough, few, etc. are some of the examples of adjectives of quantity. Fine. And now, in our today's class, we shall learn some rules of many, much, some, and any. Okay. Now, here we have many. Now, when is many used? Many is used with a countable noun. Okay. And always remember, many indicates large amount. Many indicates large amount. Okay. Now, let us see some examples. I have many friends in Delhi. Now, friends is a countable or uncountable noun? Countable noun. Why? Because we can count our friends, right? So, I have many friends. Many is used with a countable noun. Okay. Next example. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? Fine. Now, much. Much is used with an uncountable noun. Many is used with a countable noun and much is used with an uncountable noun. And much also indicates large amount. Fine. Let us see some examples. I don't have much work to do now. I don't have much work to do now. Don't add much sugar in my tea. If you observe these two examples clearly, here in the first sentence, the noun we used here is work. So, work is an uncountable noun, right? And even sugar is also an uncountable noun. So, remember, much is used with an uncountable noun. So, clear with the difference between many and much? Many is used with a countable noun. Much is used with an uncountable noun. And both are used to indicate large amount. Fine. Now let us understand about some and any. Fine. Some. Remember, some is a positive adjective. Some is a positive adjective. Fine. And when we use some in the question, we expect yes as an answer. We expect yes as an answer. Fine. And some indicates small amount. Many, much, large amount. Some, small amount. Fine. Like for suppose, here are some examples. I have some work in Delhi. May I have some water, please? Here in the second sentence, we used some in the question. Means here we are expecting the answer as yes. Okay. Good. Now, any. Some is a positive adjective, but any is a negative adjective. Fine. When we use any in the question, it means we expect no as an answer, or we expect very little as an answer. Fine. And like some, any is also used to indicate small amount or small quantity. Fine. Let us see some examples. I don't have any work in Delhi, which means you have no work in Delhi, or you have very little work in Delhi. Okay, as I told you, any is a negative adjective. Okay, I don't have any work in Delhi. And let us see any in a question. Is there any water in the jug? Is there any water in the jug? It means the answer may be no, or the answer may be very little. Fine. Now, once again, let us recap. Many, much are used to indicate large amount. Fine. Many is used with a countable noun. Much is used with an uncountable noun. Some and any indicate small amount. Some is a positive adjective. Any is a negative adjective. When we use some in the question, we expect yes as an answer. And when we use any in a question, we expect no or very little as an answer. Hope you understood the topic, and we shall meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe.